Zelido.com. Sleep better with garlic under your pillow. The sulfurous compounds and zinc in garlic naturally promote relaxation and will help you fall asleep faster, restoring your energy to take on the next day. Garlic has been a popular food since ancient times, both for seasoning and as an active ingredient in hundreds of different remedies. But we've got an amazing fact for you today: you can actually sleep better with garlic. Garlic actually comes from the onion family. Despite its strong aroma, it's one of the most consumed foods around the world. In times gone by, it was used to give flavor to dishes, repel pests and even demons. While this last one is pure superstition, there are many people who think that garlic can help combat negative energies. Whatever the case, we know garlic is rich in essential nutrients. It possesses many important medicinal properties and a variety of benefits for your health. Below we'll show you some of the most important properties. In addition, we'll show you an intriguing treatment that some people are using to sleep better. Are you interested? Nutritional properties of garlic. Garlic provides a significant amount of calories, up to 100 per 4 ounces. However, because you're never consuming it in large quantities, it can't cause weight gain. Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins that improve physical and mental performance. It provides plenty of B-complex vitamins and essential minerals like sodium, potassium and magnesium. However, its main benefits are attributed to its high concentration of sulfurous compounds like allicin. Garlic's main benefits. People don't really consider it to be a miracle substance for the body. However, many of its effects have made it one of the best superfoods you can eat. Its beneficial compounds are perfect for treating various types of infections, metabolic disorders and respiratory problems. In fact, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances garlic contains make it a powerful ally for cardiovascular health. Eating garlic improves the elasticity of your arteries, reduces excess cholesterol and regulates blood pressure levels. It also improves the blood flow to the individual cells of the body and helps prevent premature aging. It possesses antibacterial and antiseptic properties that may work better than certain synthetic antibiotics. It's a natural diuretic that fights fluid retention and inflammation in the tissues. What's more, those who eat more garlic as a part of a healthy diet lose more weight than those who don't. Why put garlic under my pillow? Now that you know more about the benefits of garlic, we'll show you a simple therapy to help you sleep better with garlic. It involves putting a clove of garlic under your pillow each night. This old family secret has been used to improve sleep quality for generations, especially in people who have a hard time falling asleep. The sulfurous compounds in garlic, along with its aroma, have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of your sleep. In ancient times, people thought that garlic was able to offer protection against evil spirits. In reality, this sense of security is due to its natural zinc content. The smell may be difficult to get used to at first, but after a few days it won't be a problem and you'll praise it as the best remedy around for insomnia. Yes, you really can sleep better with garlic. What's more, it even has a positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your batteries for the following day. We recommend complementing this therapy by eating at least a clove of garlic a day on an empty stomach, with or without lemon. A drink to sleep better with garlic. Another interesting way to take advantage of the benefits of garlic to sleep better involves preparing a natural drink which aids relaxation. Ingredients: a glass of milk, 1 clove of garlic, crushed, 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan and heat until boiling. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then remove from the heat and let it cool. Add the honey and drink. You should drink it around 30 minutes before bedtime for the best results. In addition to being one of the best seasonings, Garlic is a powerful ally for your health, and you'll be able to tell your friends that you can sleep better with garlic. It can be enjoyed in so many different ways, but it's always good to try alternative therapies like the one explained above. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thank for watching.